Hey everyone, Serena B here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun thrifty haul for you. It's a junk journal haul and I cannot wait to share with you all the treasures I found because I got really lucky this time. And I also went to Michael's and today I went to Winners, so I'm going to show you a bit of everything and I'll save the junk journaling stuff for the end. So let's get started. The stuff was only 60% off here and I went on the 29th. So I'm going to wait a little longer for the discount to go to 70 or 80%. So I only got a few things. So I got this really pretty pink trim. I had gotten this one the other day. I've already started using it. It's a nice, beautiful teal. And then they had like a hot pink version as well. So maybe you can't tell, but there we go. I hope it picks up on camera. And if you can hear background noises, I apologize. I have to film when I can and there's noise in the background, so I hope none of that gets picked up on camera. Anyway, really boring. I picked up some tissue. I really love picking up packages like this after Christmas because obviously you get really good deals. They only have 2 red, so I picked up the polka dot red. I really like the polka dots and then the green one. In hindsight, I should have maybe picked up a mix pack and then one of these each, but it's fine. I just really like the polka dot. And then I also got this beautiful wrapping paper. Sure, I can wrap gifts with this next year, but I really got it for crafting and junk journaling because it's going to match this other metallic rose gold wrapping paper that I have. It's beautiful. I use it all the time in crafts. I thought this rose gold star is going to be so cute for junk journaling and crafting with. So I think the only last thing I got from Michael's are all of these pretty crystals. So they were $4 each. And I like that it comes with a mix of the different sizes, so you don't have to buy like multiple strands. I really like that. And I don't have any of these opaque type of crystals, so I had to pick up the whites. And then I got the pink, peach pink color. And then I fell in love with these heart crystals. They're light purple, so very pretty, very sparkly. And then I got these gold spacer beads. And them all together just look so yummy. Look how pretty. I can't wait to start making some charms with these beads. They're so pretty. So from today's haul from Winners, I picked up a few things with junk journaling and Christmas kits in mind. I like to curate junk journaling kits and have launches, and I didn't get to do my Christmas launch this year, unfortunately, because of the Canada Post strike. I'm based in Canada. The whole plan had to be put on the back burner for later, so I'm going to be doing a Christmas in July sale and launching my 4 Christmas kits from this season in July, which is kind of nice because I still can buy certain things for it. If I find any cool things after Christmas sales, then I can still purchase for the kits, but for the most part I have everything already set and made up for those 4 kits. But like I said, they're only going to be available in July. Anyway, so I picked up this really pretty tinsel, silver tinsel trim. It was $3 and I got 2 of them. And then I also picked up this green tinsel. I don't have green, that's for sure. This one's more wiry than the other one, but it's really cute. It's gonna be so fun in junk journals. This was also $3. I like the packaging. The bow is really pretty. And so they say Merry Christmas, there's a Christmas tree, and I thought this would be really fun to tuck in pockets in your junk journaling. And I also really like the gold envelopes. So I love the bronzy gold envelopes, and the cards are going to be fun to play with as well. Next, I got these Santa tags. And then I got 2 packs of these for my kits as well. Let's actually open them up and see what's inside. So I like these stickers. It says Elf. It says Express Elf Mail, North Pole Direct, Next Day Air. And these are going to go perfect in my Santa's Workshop kits. Oh, these are so cute. So I already have a style similar to like a Dear Santa letter pack that I picked up this year for the kits. This one's bigger and different, and you can never go wrong with these. Very cute. There's also an envelope. Matching envelopes. Oh, so pretty. This is perfect for junk journaling kits. And it comes with these cards here. Oh, I like the blank ones. Let's have a snowball fight. I like the Dear Santa. I can definitely use these in junk journals. Very cute. So there's 24 pieces, I think, and these are actually from My Mind's Eye, but they don't make scrapbook collections anymore. They just do this type of stuff, like paper goods and party stuff. So at the dollar store, I picked up these cute kitty clips. I figured these would be perfect for my junk journals when I'm making them, to clip the pages. Hold on, let me take that out. So I thought these would be perfect. Ooh, they're very strong. For when I'm clipping, creating my junk journals, they can help hold the pages together. I just think they're really cute, and if they don't work for the junk journals, I'll use them in my kitchen. And then I also picked up these heart paper bags. It comes with other little things, but I got this not for Valentine's Day, but actually for my Alice in Wonderland kits. I think this is going to be perfect, and it represents the Queen of Hearts really nicely. I also have Disney kits that I'm working on that will be launching in the new year, and I've been working on those for many years as well, and putting things aside, so I'm really excited for those. So Alice in Wonderland is going to be one of them. Alright, let's get into the books. So I picked up this book that says 10 Tales of Christmas. It was $1.79, and there's some music note. It's aged, it's old. There's some poems, some music note paper here. And the theme is Christmas, so I thought this would be perfect for junk journaling kits. Christmas tree for Lydia, aw. But it's aged, so it's definitely vintage. Next, I got this flower book. It was $3.99. It's in French, and it has some beautiful illustrated florals. I have been curating a floral kit for many years as well, so whenever I find an illustrated book like this, I have to pick it up because I like the different styles of illustrations and sizes of pages for the kits. I like to have a variety of different styles. So when I saw this, I had to get it. It's so perfect for junk journaling. Yeah, so that's a little look at this book. And then this is my Christmas Treasury. It's a little golden book. It is in pretty good shape. It says 1976. I haven't seen this book in the wild before, so I had to get it. It has like different little stories, I guess. So perfect for future junk journaling kits. And then this was really cool. It says it's a book called Sleeping with a Wildflower, a treasury of old-time gardening lore. And I thought that was pretty freaking cool. So this is going to be definitely going into my floral junk journaling kits. But I also kind of just want to read it and read through it because there's some really cool lore in here. So, and pictures. It seems a little witchy, so I love it. I actually really want to read through this a little bit before cutting it up, but I thought this was a great find. And then the last thing I found is this book here. It's like a kid's workbook, and I've never seen anything like this in the wild again that is in good shape, at least. So I like the aging of the pages. It's in English. So I thought this would be really fun to play with in junk journaling kits and junk journaling as well. There's a little witch there. This is fun. There's 2 dates, but I think it was printed in 1976, and it's in really great shape and not even used, so this had to come with me. Alright, I also found a pack of vintagey, what's the word I'm looking for? Aged notebooks. There was a bunch of these. There was like 6 bags of them, but I only got one. They were $1.99 for 4, and I have plenty to work with. I've already started actually working with some of this in the junk journal I'm working on right now, which I will have in a future upcoming video. Some of them are more aged than others, like this one right here. And there's just so much paper, so I'm really lucky to have found these. Love them. Perfect for junk journaling and for hidden journaling and to write letters, and I'm just really excited I found these. Like I said, there was more, but I think 4 is plenty for me. Alright, so I think all that's left are the trims. I got really lucky. I can't believe I found some of these awesome things. So let's start with this. They have like 3 different colors to choose from, but I went with this one, and it's just so perfect because it's called Celestial, and that's perfect because I'm actually going to be using this and curating a celestial astronomy kit. So it's going to be perfect for that, and I just love it. I'm also going to be using it, you know, for my personal stash and crafting because it's so pretty. So I'm really glad I found this one. This all came together in one bag for $3.99. But so it looks just like a bunch of different satin ribbon that she collected. Oh, there's red in here too, red and white. This would be good for Christmas. There's a lot of this one. This really pretty pink one. Ooh, okay, this one is so pretty. Very smooth. This blue is perfect for my future Cinderella junk journaling kits. So that's gonna go into that kit for sure. This one might go into Sleeping Beauty. It's very pretty. Anyway, I can definitely use these. And then it came with this fusible web adhesive. Oh, that's good to have. That's cool. Here's the star of the show. This is why I picked up that bag. Look how beautiful, and there is so much to work with. So this was definitely worth $3.99 alone. So it's red and pink, but it's more of a burgundy red or like a dark pink, magenta pink. I don't know. It's just really pretty. This can be used for Valentine's Day, for Christmas. You're definitely gonna see these in future junk journaling kits. I'm just not sure which ones yet, but oh, it's so beautiful and I can't wait to play with this. So that was a great find. And another amazing find, check this out. I can't believe I found this. I never find cool things like this. So when I saw this, oh my gosh, I had to come home with me and it was only $1.99, so I got a great deal. Look how gorgeous this is. This is obviously embroidered trim, and it's gonna be so perfect in my future Christmas kits. How vintage and kitschy is this? Oh my, this will look so cute on a junk journal page or cover. And then you just have the scallops peeking out, or even just like on its own, you know. You can make a little tag or glue it on a tag, and then you can make it like a belly band or a pocket. There's just so many things you can do with this trim. So happy I found it. Like, you really have to keep looking around to see what's there. I had looked through the basket and then went again and I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, thank God I did a double take before leaving. I think the last few things I have to share are fabrics. Now, I'm not very lucky when it comes to fabrics, but I think I got lucky this time. So this fabric right here, and there's a good amount of it. Oh, there is some lines, like textured lines, so you feel it almost as if it's like corduroy, but it's not. And there's some areas that is actually softer, so I don't know what happened to it. Maybe if I iron it, I can get the lines out or just make it not so noticeable. We'll see. But I freaking fell in love with the checker pattern are really in right now, and it's a checkered floral kitschy pink bunny. Like, come on, how freaking amazing is this? And I was even thinking of just cutting like a little 2x2 square thing and then folding it over and just making them as tabs on the side of pages, or like little pull tabs for tags. So not only can you know, craft with this, make a journal cover, it's also good for like little embellishments. So I can't wait to get started with this, and it's perfect for Easter as well, right? And it's just so great. So the next fabric I found is this black and white stripe fabric. I never find black and white stripe, and if you know me, black and white stripe is kind of like my signature style. My brand is everything. Like, black and white stripes is so me, and this is perfect. So there's a lot here to work with as well, and it's thicker cotton type material, so this is perfect for covering junk journals, and I cannot wait to make a junk journal with this. I'm so excited. It's so me. I found this adorable dark blush or like mauvey pink ribbon pattern fabric. Like, how freaking cute. And there's a lot here to work with. I'm so excited. All the fabrics were $3.99, but this right here, this combo, this is so me. Like, this is so me. This is making me so excited. This is like my two personalities, my kitschy, girly, vintagey mixed in with the black and white stripes, the Beetlejuice, the Halloween edgy vibe that I have. I think this represents me perfectly. And just look how amazing the beads go with this new fabric that I found. But how perfect is this with these? Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to be making a journal for myself. I got really inspired. So I'm currently working and I'm pretty much finished, but I might just go through it one more time and add some finishing touches to this. So this is the junk journal I made, and I will be doing a flip through of this. But I was so inspired of working in this journal that I want to make one for myself. And this is exactly what I'm going to be using. I can't believe I found this amazing fabric. So I think I'm going to put this on the outside and then this on the inside, or vice versa. I'm going to see. But I'm definitely going to be making this journal for myself because I can't help myself. I'm so excited. And the last thing I found at the thrift store, which I can't believe I found this. I have some eyelet trim, but not a lot. And I found a whole freaking roll of eyelet trim. And it was only $3.99, and there's a lot. Like, I can't really show you, but there's a lot here. This is gonna last me forever. I'm gonna be able to share it in junk journaling kits, and I'm just so excited. I've already used it in on the journal as the closure. So I'm so happy I was able to find some really pretty eyelet trim. I mean, there's some nicer ones out there, but a whole roll, I can't complain. I had to get it. So I can't wait. I can't believe it. I have no words. I never really find this type of stuff before in my thrift stores. It's really hard to find some really good things. And yesterday I got really lucky. So I'm very, very grateful for everything that I found. So that is my junk journaling thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and let me know what are some of your favorite items I picked up. I'm really happy that I have all of this stuff to play with now in my stash. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It would really help my channel. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!